This is a 2001 Ford F-150. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, skid plates, and a limited slip differential. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, chrome bumpers, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, door reinforcement beams, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Don Addison Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 64194 Highway 93 in Ronan.